It really starts with grain. Grain is a key component in distillery making. So we run a variety of bourbon mash bills here. To be bourbon, it has to have at least 51% corn in the recipe or the mash bill. So corn is obviously one of the most important ingredients. So we buy all local Kentucky corn. We're pretty blessed to be in the heart of corn country. Hamilton Grain Farms is a good partner of ours. We buy a whole lot of Kentucky corn from Hamilton Grain Farms.
I farm here in Kentucky with my boys. Most of Kentucky is like 95% family farms. We farm a little over 5,000 acres and half of that's in corn. The corn we take to OZ Tyler, is used to make their bourbon. That is the major part, of their process to make the bourbon.
What we'll do is we'll purchase high quality grains, we'll cook those grains, we'll ferment those grains. For us, about a 3-day process from mashing to distillation. Other recipes include corn, rye, and malted barley. All three will contribute to your flavor profile. Rye being where your pepper and your spice comes from. Our latest expansion will take us to 95,000 barrels of bourbon a year, which makes us the 4th largest independent bourbon distillery in the world.
Right now we've just finished planting, and it's been a wet season, but we've got it all in the ground and it looks really good. The corn we grow here in Kentucky that goes to bourbon, helps keep the Kentucky farms alive, and all of that is distributed worldwide. When I drink OZ Tyler, I just feel like I was part of the process, and I'm very proud to be part of Kentucky.